Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix Meta AI not showing up on WhatsApp. So the first step you need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. So once you open settings, you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for the WhatsApp. Click on that. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you need to go back and open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and you need to update your WhatsApp. Then you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your WhatsApp account. Once you done that, after that you need to open your account. And once you open your account, so let me show you that now you have this Meta AI. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.